The ground beneath our feet teems with hidden wonders, a bustling world of microorganisms and nutrients. Among these wonders is nitrogen, an element vital for all life on Earth, playing a crucial role in various biological processes. Invisible to the naked eye, nitrogen is a key ingredient in the building blocks of life: DNA, proteins, and chlorophyll, essential for growth and development. Without it, plants wither and animals starve, leading to a cascade of ecological consequences. The very air we breathe is mostly nitrogen, yet this abundant element exists in a form unusable to most living things, locked away in the atmosphere. Unlocking nitrogen's secrets is key to understanding the delicate balance of our natural world, ensuring ecosystems thrive. In the realm of agriculture, nitrogen reigns supreme, dictating the health and productivity of crops. It is the nutrient that crops need most to grow and yield bountiful harvests, providing food for millions. Just as we need a balanced diet, so too do plants require the right amount of nitrogen to flourish. Too little, and they struggle to survive, showing signs of deficiency and poor health. Too much, and the consequences ripple through the environment, causing issues like water pollution and ecosystem imbalance. Understanding how to manage this vital element is crucial for feeding a growing population while protecting our planet, ensuring sustainability for future generations. Nitrogen embarks on an extraordinary journey through our planet, transforming from gas to life-giving nutrient and back again. This essential element is a cornerstone of life, playing a crucial role in the growth and development of plants and animals alike. This is the nitrogen cycle, a delicate dance of life, death, and renewal. It is a continuous process that sustains ecosystems and maintains the balance of nature. The cycle begins with nitrogen fixation, where specialized bacteria, often living in partnership with plant roots, convert gaseous nitrogen from the air into forms usable by living organisms. These bacteria are nature's tiny chemists, working tirelessly to support life. But nature's nitrogen fixers aren't the only players in this game. Other organisms, such as certain types of algae, also contribute to this vital process. Human ingenuity has also found a way to tap into the vast reservoir of atmospheric nitrogen. Through scientific advancements, we have developed methods to harness this essential element. The Haber-Bosch process, a marvel of industrial chemistry, transforms nitrogen gas into ammonia, a key ingredient in fertilizers. This breakthrough has had a profound impact on modern agriculture. This process has revolutionized agriculture, allowing us to feed billions. It has enabled the mass production of food, supporting the growing global population. Yet, like all powerful tools, it must be used responsibly. Sustainable practices are essential to ensure that we do not harm the environment in our quest for higher yields. Excessive use of synthetic nitrogen fertilizers disrupts the natural balance, leading to a cascade of environmental problems. These include water pollution, soil degradation, and the loss of biodiversity, which can have far-reaching consequences for our planet. Nitrogen is a master of disguise, existing in various forms within the soil. These forms, constantly changing through a complex series of chemical reactions, determine nitrogen's availability to plants. Organic nitrogen, locked within the bodies of decaying plants and animals, is gradually released as simpler compounds through the tireless work of soil microbes. Ammonium and nitrate, the forms most readily absorbed by plant roots, are precious commodities in the soil. Their abundance or scarcity dictates the fate of crops. However, these mobile forms are easily lost from the soil through leaching or conversion back to gaseous forms. Understanding these transformations is key to managing nitrogen effectively and preventing its escape into the environment. Plants, like all living things, have ways of signaling their needs. When nitrogen runs low, they display telltale signs of distress. Leaves, normally a vibrant green, turn pale or yellow, especially in older growth. Growth slows and plants may appear stunted and spindly. These symptoms are a plant's way of crying out, "We need nitrogen." Recognizing these signs early is crucial for farmers and gardeners alike. Addressing nitrogen deficiency promptly ensures healthy plant growth and maximizes yields. However, just as too little nitrogen can harm, so too can too much. Excessive nitrogen can lead to lush, leafy growth but reduced fruit or grain production. It's all about finding the right balance. Section 5. Nitrogen out of control, a threat to our environment. While essential for life, nitrogen, when mismanaged, can become an environmental villain. Excess nitrogen, escaping from farm fields and urban areas, pollutes our waterways, contaminates drinking water, and disrupts delicate ecosystems. One of the most alarming consequences is eutrophication. Imagine a pristine lake, its clear waters teeming with fish and aquatic life. Now picture that same lake choked with thick mats of algae, its oxygen depleted, its once vibrant ecosystem suffocating. This is eutrophication, a direct result of excess nitrogen fueling uncontrolled algal blooms. Protecting our environment demands responsible nitrogen management. Section 6. Feeding the world responsibly. Managing nitrogen in agriculture. The challenge is clear. How do we feed a growing global population without jeopardizing our planet's health? With the global population expected to reach nearly 10 billion by 2050, the pressure on our agricultural systems is immense. The answer lies in adopting sustainable nitrogen management practices. These practices not only boost crop yields, but also protect our environment from the adverse effects of excessive nitrogen use. This begins with understanding the specific nitrogen needs of each crop and applying fertilizers accordingly. Tailoring fertilizer application to the precise needs of the soil and plants is crucial. Gone are the days of indiscriminate application. Today's farmers increasingly rely on precision techniques. Timing is everything. Using advanced technology like GPS and drones, farmers can monitor and manage their fields with unprecedented accuracy. Applying nitrogen fertilizer when crops need it most minimizes losses and maximizes uptake. This ensures that the plants get the nutrients they need exactly when they need them. Cover crops, planted during the off-season, act like nitrogen sponges, preventing valuable nutrients from leaching through the soil. They also improve soil health and structure. These and other sustainable practices are key to ensuring that nitrogen nourishes our crops without harming our environment. By adopting these methods, we can create a more sustainable and productive agricultural system for future generations. Section 7. Precision is key modern techniques for fertilizer application. Modern agriculture is embracing technology to fine-tune nitrogen management. Precision farming techniques, utilizing GPS-guided machinery and real-time data analysis, allow farmers to apply fertilizers with pinpoint accuracy. Sensors embedded in the soil provide constant feedback on nutrient levels, ensuring that crops receive the right amount of nitrogen at the right time. These advancements minimize nitrogen losses while maximizing yields. Variable rate application, another innovation, adjusts fertilizer application rates based on the specific needs of different areas within a field. This targeted approach reduces waste and minimizes environmental impact, paving the way for a more sustainable future. Section 8. Beyond the farm. Nitrogen's impact on our air and water. The consequences of nitrogen pollution extend far beyond the farm. Excess nitrogen, carried by rain and irrigation runoff, flows into rivers, lakes, and eventually the ocean. Along the way, it fuels harmful algal blooms, depletes oxygen, and threatens aquatic life. Nitrogen compounds also contribute to air pollution, forming smog and acid rain. The problem is global in scope, requiring international cooperation and innovative solutions. Reducing nitrogen pollution demands a multi-pronged approach, encompassing agricultural practices, wastewater treatment, and industrial emissions controls. Protecting our shared environment requires a collective effort. Section 9. A global challenge. Sustainable nitrogen management for the future. As our global population continues to grow, so too does the demand for food. Meeting this demand sustainably hinges on our ability to manage nitrogen effectively. This requires a paradigm shift, moving away from excessive nitrogen use toward a more balanced and environmentally responsible approach. Education and collaboration are key. Farmers, scientists, policymakers, and the public must work together to develop and implement sustainable solutions. Investing in research and innovation is crucial for developing new technologies and practices that minimize nitrogen losses and maximize its efficient use. Section 10. Small actions, big impact. What we can do to help. Every individual has a role to play in reducing nitrogen pollution. Simple actions, multiplied across communities, can make a significant difference. Choosing food grown using sustainable practices, minimizing food waste, and composting organic materials all contribute to a healthier nitrogen cycle. Supporting policies that promote sustainable agriculture and environmental protection is also crucial. By staying informed and advocating for change, we can all contribute to a future where nitrogen nourishes life without jeopardizing our planet's health. Section 11. A future in balance. Sustainable nitrogen for a thriving planet. Imagine a future where lush fields produce abundant food while clean rivers flow to a vibrant ocean. This is the promise of sustainable nitrogen management, a future where we harness the power of this essential element without compromising the health of our planet. Achieving this vision requires a collective effort, a shared commitment to responsible stewardship of our natural resources. By embracing sustainable practices, investing in innovation, and working together, we can ensure a future where nitrogen continues to nourish life for generations to come.